Let me first salute my people. Have you ever seen a sexy officer like this? You should not lie. Okay, so up. No, one ask me daddy. When you follow us, you wanna check Instagram. Alright, when I newly became standing on existing protocols or saluting on existing protocols, is anything like that. When I newly became a police ambassador, someone, I think on Twitter or my Instagram page, someone dropped this funny comment that I'll never forget. I'd like to share with you guys. It says, so Korede, so that you're now police ambassador, it means that you officially have the right to say, if police stop you, you have the right to say, do you know who I am? And I thought about it, that's true. Then something hit me as well. Power. How power can envelope us. How power can blind us. How power can give us a sense of entitlement. And that's the Nigerian syndrome. Everybody wishes they can say, do you know who I am? Even if they enter anybody's office, somebody stops them as they're entering, maybe a bouncer stops them in a club or whatever it is. Everybody wants to say, do you know who I am? And as my big bro was saying that, I'm a student in I'm a graduate of mass communication from Nigerian School of Journalism. And as we were saying that you should brag about your achievements, something hit me as well as I was sitting down. What we should actually brag about, or a better thing to brag about, is our sense of morality, our values. First, as a human being, those are the things that we should brag about. Because why? I always say this, that police is a mirror of the society. The government is a mirror of the society. I thank God you guys can see me looking fly in this uniform now. If I go home and I take this uniform off, I become a human being. I become like you. I'm no more the person in uniform. I'm like every other person. So why do we feel a need to always, these people are bad, or these people are bad? No, we have a problem. We are the ones with the issues. As a people, as a society, and as a nation. What I'm trying to say is, there's no more room for blame games. I am the problem. We are the problem. We should reassess our sense of morality, our sense of justice, our values as a people, as an individual, and as a society. Most importantly, let's love. Love for self, love for neighbor, and love for country. Thank you. Because for the next person, because you love them. If you love yourself enough and you love your neighbor enough, that's what I'm saying. How many of us wants to become policemen? I see some young people out there, I see nobody. But what if I told you that you don't have to be in uniform to become a policeman? Check that, right? Be responsible for your own safety, your life and your properties, and the safety of your neighbors' lives and properties. Thank you guys very much. But before I leave, I think, we're in the mood to do some shaking. Now let's shake it off. It's morning. Yes, right? I see my ladies over there. I love you too. Make some noise for the boy, I beg. Yeah. Everyone keep my joy. I say anything with me, I got to win, I got to win, I got to win, no. Anything I do, I got to win, I got to win, I got to win, no. I don't change my name to God. I don't buy more to God. They say my market's no percent. And then we say I'm not going to God, my brother. Let them try their luck, my God, we know my God, we know my God, we know. Anything we do, my God, we know. As we love ourselves, and then we say we don't go back. You wake up, sit with the ass on. Drop past the wrong, never see you. They don't see you, my sister. Oh, yeah, the lover. My brother, I said if you win the contract, my friend, and if you check the countdown, my brother, God will win, and if your market God will win, I got the win, I got the win, anything I do, I got the win, I got the win, I got the win, no, God will know that's my God will win, I got the win. Not for me. Menta superstar. We don't get that lot. And I don't be direct. God everyone for your man. Everyone here I tell you God on the wet and say anything we do. I got to win. I got to win. Anything I do, I got to win. I got to win. I got to win. I don't change my name to God. I don't buy more to God. I say my market's not for sale. And then we say I was ready to go back to me, my brother. When I'm trying to love my God to win, my God to win, my God to win, no. Anything I do, I got to win, I got to win, I got to win, no. As we love ourselves, I'm my God to win. And then we say we go back, my God to win. You wake up, sit with the last song, my God to win. Robbers, they don't see you. They don't see you, my sister. Oh, yeah, the lover. I got to win. I got to win. I got to win. Anything I do, I got to win. I got to win. I got to win. Sorry. As now you're waiting for my God to win. And you don't take me to find my God to win. See, we go from champagne. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it.
Mo wà ń bí.
Kilarigbo.
Ẹ máa wẹ̀ máa fọ́n. Òun lẹ ti ń gbọ́ ẹ.
Ẹ dúró ń bẹ̀ fẹ́ wọ.
Bàbá mi ò dán mọ́rán bọ̀ ẹ má ní jẹ́.
Kilarigbo náà.
Ṣé ti gbọ́?
Ilẹ̀ gbọ́. Dèrèlé ló pariwo ẹyin tèmi ó yá ẹ máa gbé lọ.